Hi everyone, this is Mr. Crawford here. In this video series we're going to be showing you how to make this breakfast in bed table serving tray. So it's a serving tray with also some fold out legs so that it can be used as a breakfast in bed table or a laptop stand or whatever you prefer. So along in this video series we're going to show you everything from stock breakout to how to finish the tray. So if you follow along, we will get to it. Okay, so the first step for stock breakout obviously is we need our stock. So we'll be making this serving tray out of alder. So alder in the John Oliver shop can be found over in the wood rack over here. So we're gonna walk over and we're gonna look through the wood rack and we're gonna find all of these boards for A for alder. So we're gonna grab one of these boards and bring it over to the table. All right, we now have our wood back to the bench and we are going to start the first phase of stock breakout, which is called layout. So we are going to be laying out the pieces that we need to cut on our alder board. And so in this step, we need to lay out enough for our two end pieces and our two side pieces. So the finished dimensions of the two end pieces are 334 millimeters by 95 millimeters. So in order to use the board as efficiently as possible, we're going to combine those end on end. So we're going to have one piece here and one piece here. And for the side pieces, the finished dimensions are 500 millimeters by 45 millimeters. So instead of combining those end on end this way, we're going to combine them end on end this way. So beside each other, and then the end pieces will be this way. So how that looks on our board. We've got our board here and I've got it drawn out already. So the first one for the end pieces, so we have one here and one here. The rough dimensions we want to cut are 700 millimeters by 105 millimeters. And for our side pieces, we want to combine them one here and one here. So if we were to draw an imaginary line here, we would have one side piece here and one side piece here. And our dimension is 520 millimeters by 120 millimeters. So again, the end pieces are combined end on end, and the side pieces are combined side by side. So how we do that is we are going to take our tape measure. We're going to put it to the end of the board. We're going to measure to 700 millimeters and we are going to make a mark with our chalk like so. And then we're going to grab any kind of right angle. This is a combination square. We're going to go up to that mark and then we're going to draw our line across. And then we're going to do the same thing for the side pieces, which need to be 520 millimeters. So we have 520 millimeters. Again, make your mark, get your square, draw your line, and now we're ready to cut. Also, it's important that we make sure that our board is at least 120 millimeters in width. And so I measured this beforehand, but we have enough room. It's just over 130 millimeters. So we'll be able to fit our two side pieces and our two end pieces. And the next step is the radial arm saw.